Take command of the road in the 2007 Ford Expedition. A 5.4-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Ford prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including delay-off headlights, skid plates, remote keyless entry, a trailer hitch, a roof rack, and air conditioning. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 6 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Curtain airbags combined with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.